You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Your mom looks like a dog.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad. No, you're not getting dinner.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Here you go, Rocky. I know how much you like wieners.
Angel, I was thinking about going for a walk.
What face you make when you see a girl walk in the house with a stank booty?
Want a treat?